Hi all, let's see extended params collections in C# version 13. Let's see. In previous video, we saw what is params keyword and how and where should use. Link given in description box. Now, let's quickly review params keyword so we will easily understand how they extended params in version 13. By using params keyword, we can pass any number of values to a function without needing to know the exact count beforehand. For example, inside main function, calling the function print numbers and passing 5 arguments, and again calling the function print numbers and passing 2 arguments, and again calling the function print numbers without argument. All the function names are same but different arguments. It's a function overloading. In function overloading, generally what we do here, we will write a function definition for each different passing arguments. For example, here we are passing 5 arguments, so we will write a function definition for accepting these 5 values, and then here we are passing 2 arguments, so again we will write a function definition for accepting these 2 values, and here we are calling the function without arguments, so again we will write a function definition without argument. So instead of writing function definition for each different passing arguments, we can use params to receive a varying amount of argument in single function definition like this. But when using params, we should use only single dimensional array to receive the values. In C# version 13, they improved params. Let's see that. In C# version 13, we can also use params with SpanT, ReadOnlySpanT, and any type implementing IEnumerable with an add method. Let's see how to use SpanT, ReadOnlySpanT, and IEnumerable with params practically. Let's go back to our console application. Previous video we saw what is SpanT and ReadOnlySpanT and what's the advantages of that. Link given in description box. Let's continue with the same example. And here created a span variable and using stack_allow keyword created an array and assigned into it. Now let's create a function to receive this span variable using params. Let's create static void then function name. For using params, we have to use params keyword. Then here we are going to receive this SpanT variable. So span inside angle bracket we have to provide data type. All are integer number. So int, then have to close the angle bracket, then space, then variable name. Let's print the numbers using for each which we received here. For each. Let's change this as number, then our argument name, let's call this function, let's pass our span variable, let's comment this, let's save, let's execute and check. See, by using params we received span values. Here we can also use an array, but arrays will store inside a heap memory. Here we are using small data sets, so there is no performance difference, but in real time, especially when we passing large data sets, it will become slightly slower due to heap allocation. So instead of using an array, if we use span, we can avoid heap allocation and making it more efficient when we pass large data sets. And also when we using span, we can also modify the span variable like an array like this. See, we modified value 1 as 25. Let's execute and check. See, it modified. Then ReadOnlySpanT. ReadOnlySpanT is also same as span. The only difference is we cannot modify the variable. Let's see that also. If we try to change, it will show an error. Let's comment this. Here we are passing ReadOnlySpanT, so we have to change this also ReadOnlySpanT. And then we can also use params along with the list also. Let's see that also. See, here receiving the list of names. Let's call the function. Let's pass list of names here. Let's command the sprint numbers. Let's execute and check. See. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.